Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're a Citibank customer and need to transfer money to another bank, you're in the right place. This process is simple, secure, and can save you time and hassle. Whether you're sending funds to a friend, family, or another account, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, make sure you have access to your Citibank account. Download the Citibank app or visit their website, and log in with your username and password. If you haven't set up online banking yet, it's quick and free to do so. Trust me, it's worth it. Once logged in, head to the main dashboard and look for the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually easy to find, often with icons for quick access. Click on that, and you'll see options for different types of transfers. Now, select External Transfer or Transfer to another bank. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details, including their bank's routing number, account number, and possibly their name. Double-check everything here to avoid any errors. Nothing's worse than sending money to the wrong place. Next, input the amount you want to transfer. Citibank will show you any associated fees, like for ACH transfers, which are usually free and take 1 to 3 business days, or wire transfers, faster but with a small fee. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Before you confirm, take a moment to review all the information. Make sure the amount, recipient details, and your account are correct. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button, and the transfer will be initiated. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from Citibank. Keep in mind, it might take a few days to process, so plan ahead. If you run into any issues, Citibank's customer support is available to help. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. See you in the next video.